beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing well. Today I thought I'd film a video of me talking about all the products I use for my wash day routine, because a lot of people like to ask about the products I use on a daily basis actually, so hopefully you guys can just use this video for reference every time you have a question about the products I use. But yeah, let's get into it. I will first use this beautiful deep conditioner. Hopefully it's focusing. Oh yes, quick disclaimer. Just because I use these products and it works for me, it doesn't mean it will work for you. All our hair is different and I've just happened to find the products that work best for me. But yeah, I use this beautiful on Jackie's deep conditioner. I've been using it for years. It does its job. I like to use this deep conditioner at the beginning of my wash day routine because I like doing like a deep conditioning oil treatment every wash day. So I'll put this throughout my hair, then I'll go in with this beautiful bottle of extra virgin olive oil. Ever since I've been using olive oil on my hair, I've felt my hair, become stronger. It feels more moisturized. And I also use castor oil throughout my hair once I've put the deep conditioner on. I don't have castor oil right now. I'll use any castor oil that's available in the store, to be honest. Also really good for moisturizing my hair. And then I'll go in with this beautiful, it looks a bit rough guys, but trust me, it is so good. This is some raw Shea Butter that I got from my aunt. This, to be honest, is the game changer. I've been using this for a few months now and I've honestly felt the difference. My hair is way more moisturized throughout the week and it feels a whole lot softer, so definitely get your hands on some raw Shea Butter if you can. And after putting all of that on my head, I'll put a plastic bag on my head and use a hairdryer to warm it up so it's like a nice treatment, and I'll sit like that for about 45 minutes until I'll go and wash my hair in the shower. So the shampoo I use is I don't know if it's focusing, I really hope it is, but I'll use this shampoo. It's the Garnier Ultra Nourishing Shampoo with avocado oil and shea butter. This, to be honest, isn't anything special. I wish it was paraben free as well, but paraben free and silicone free shampoos are quite expensive. So this one works best for me right now. And then I'll go in with this conditioner. This is the Garnier Ultimate Blends Honey Treasures. Yeah, I've been using this also for quite a long time now and it does its job. It conditions my hair pretty well. And I also wanted to say, with this shampoo, it doesn't strip your hair of everything it needs. So that's a very, very good thing. Now, I want to talk about the styling products I use. I only use 2 products during this part of my routine. So the very first product I'll use is the Moisture Intensive Even Conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. This, again, it does its job. There are plenty of other really great conditioners out there, but because I have lots of hair, I really want to use something that is affordable and good, not great. So yeah, I've been using this for years. My hair likes it and it helps make my hair feel moisturized throughout the week as well. And then I'll go in with my favorite product of all time. It is the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls. This is the best curling jelly I've ever used. If you have hair like mine, I have type 3C and type 4A hair. If you have hair like mine and you're struggling to find something that works for you, this, I cannot recommend it enough. Please, guys, go out and buy this product. It smells nice. It helps my hair feel moisturized, as all these products do, by the way. I don't know if you've noticed. But yeah, it doesn't dry out my hair doesn't feel crunchy. And as you can see, this is day 5 here and my curls are still pretty defined. My hair is looking voluminous, moisturized, shiny. Hi, beautiful people. It is load shedding now and I'm busy editing the video. I realized that I left out an important part that I think you guys, or some of you, would like to hear about, and how I actually go about applying the styling products on my hair. So I'll take a small section, like maybe this big, and I will first put the leave-in conditioner on my hair whilst my hair is wet, and then I'll put the curling jelly on the same section. And then sometimes I will, not sometimes, a lot of the time actually, I'll do the finger coils so the curls are a bit more defined. This is my natural curl pattern, but sometimes I want it to be even more defined, especially here on top where the curls are a whole lot more looser compared to the curls here at the bottom. But yeah, this is day 7 here. I washed my hair last week Tuesday, and it's Tuesday today whilst I'm editing this video. So yeah, I'll probably have my hair like this tomorrow as well. I just wanted to let you guys know to show you how well this curling jelly works, because my curls are still looking quite nice and my hair is still very moisturized thanks to the products I'm using. But yeah, girl's hair is looking big, voluminous, healthy. Anyway, back to the video. And if my hair does feel dry at any point throughout the week, I will use this. This isn't part of my wash day routine, but it's nice just to put over my, or put in my hair if it does feel dry, but it doesn't really feel dry nowadays because of all the products I've been using. This is my natural hair strengthening oil, and if my hair does feel dry, I'll use it, but again, it doesn't really feel dry nowadays. But yeah, those are the products I use. This is probably going to be a really quick video, and I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions about any of the products I've talked about, if you have any questions about other products I didn't talk about, feel free to message me on Instagram at xoxo. And yeah, I hope you guys have a beautiful day.